Okay, now we explain about sucrose and I explain. So now I explain sucrose and starch synthesis. Okay, sucrose and starch synthesis. So here we know about that how the photosynthesis occur and how the glucose is formed. But generally, after formation of the glucose is not stored in the plant body. Okay, it stored within the plant body either in the form of sucrose or in the form of starch. Okay, so let's explain how the starch or sucrose is formed. Okay, so we just see dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate both react with each other to form the fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Okay, in presence of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate aldolase, this is the enzyme. This fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, it converts in presence of water and the enzyme fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase to form fructose 6-phosphate and phosphorus ion also produced. This fructose 6-phosphate in presence of hexose phosphate isomerase changes to glucose 6-phosphate. Okay, and this glucose 6-phosphate in presence of phosphoglucomutase, it transforms into glucose 1-phosphate. And here the two line you can see that glucose 1-phosphate in the one direction it changes to starch, in another direction it changes to sucrose. Okay, so it is stored, glucose generally stored as sucrose or starch in the plant's body. So how the starch is formed? When glucose 1-phosphate is formed in presence of ADP glucose phosphorylase, enzyme ADP glucose phosphorylase, it transforms into ADP glucose. And this ADP glucose changes to starch due to the presence of starch synthase. And this is the formation of the starch. Either starch it glucose stored in the plant body. In another way, UDP added here. UDP is added here with glucose 1-phosphate, and in presence of UDP glucose phosphorylase, it changes to UDP glucose. Okay, UDP glucose plus PPI form. And UDP glucose in presence of sucrose 6-phosphate synthase changes to sucrose 6-phosphate, and UDP is just released from it. And this sucrose 6-phosphate, when water is added to it, in presence of sucrose 6-phosphate phosphatase changes to sucrose, and PI is also formed. So these are the reactions you can see here. These are the reactions of production of starch and sucrose. So actually, what we learned in photosynthesis we learn C4 cycle, photorespiration, C4 CAM pathway, and Kelvin cycle, light phase. And last topic, this is it, this one. If I will get any more time, so then I will discuss about the factors that are very important for the photosynthesis. But this is very easy. You just learn from any book. So up to this, the sucrose and starch formation, and the another topic I just tell you now. These are very important for photosynthesis. And if you read this total pathways or total these topics, then I think you can totally understand about the photosynthesis. And these informations give you, these are very important for getting CSI or NET exam in future. Okay, so actually many questions arise from this photosynthesis. So these topics are very important for you. And another students that are very botany honors or another botany pass, so you can just get this information from my videos. Okay, so today's topic is last topic. of the photosynthesis, and in the next video I will explain about another topic. Okay, so please you just check out my previous videos about photosynthesis, and I will make beta oxidation and the oxidation of other fatty acids. So I just made these videos on that topic, and in future I will make another topics or another videos of different topics. So you just subscribe my channel, and you will get the notification first. Okay, thank you.